Wipe. Wipe it. Wipe. Wipe. Wipe it.
Jeffrey, stop doing TikTok and fix the rear wiper.
Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. Today we will be replacing a broken rear wiper arm on a 2005 Porsche Cayenne. Now before we start, here's some useful information. You know the reason why people put their wiper arms up like this is because in the snow like today, snow would accumulate on the wiper arm and the arm would be stressed from the weight of the ice. That stress on the wiper arm would eventually cause it to break off, which is one of the reasons why people raise their wipers when it's snowing. Now that is something that's good to know, right? So you can avoid breaking your wiper arms like this. Anyway, so let's replace it. This is what came from the package from Amazon. A new wiper arm cover, and a new wiper arm. First thing you need to do is take off the wiper arm cap, which you can just pop it off with a screwdriver or by hand. To expose the bolt that's holding on to the wiper arm. Next is spray a WD-40 or penetrating oil to loosen the bolt from the wiper arm. Now let it soak for a few minutes or an hour, depending on how much time you got.
12 seconds later.
Now put back the wiper arm for now and mark the starting location of the wiper arm. This way, when you put the new one in, you would know where the starting position is and you can correctly put the correct range of wiping area. That way it would not overshoot the wiping area or short the wiping area that you need cleared. The wiper arm bolt is a 13mm bolt, so use a 13mm socket to take it off. Now hold on to the part of the arm when you take it off so you don't stress the wiper motor when you're taking off the bolt. And once loose, you can remove it by hand. Normally you would use a wiper pulley tool to remove the wiper arm. But in this case where I lost mine or I didn't know where I put it, I'm just gonna wiggle it gently to see if I can take it off. Ta-da!
Yes! Yes!
I guess I got lucky this time. Now get your new wiper arm and the new wiper blade. Align the wiper to the wiper arm clip where it holds the wiper in its place. And you just need to press it down. That should lock it in place. Now put the new wiper arm in position, making sure that the arm is in its starting place that we marked earlier. Put the nut back in. This is again a 13mm bolt, so use a 13mm socket. And now finally, put the wiper arm cover on its position. Snap it in. Take off the blue tape that we used to mark the wiper starting position. And now, since we're in the middle of a snowstorm, make sure you use the knowledge that we just learned earlier and raise the wiper so it doesn't break again. And that is how you replace a broken rear wiper arm on a 2005 Porsche Cayenne. This has been our snowstorm edition. My name's Arjeff, and thank you for watching How to Helen. Now you can go back to doing your TikTok. Wipe it, wipe, wipe it.